there. This vlog is going to be a tad bit different. I figured that since I was going to be with my family today, we were going around from store to store looking for who knows what, I would just bring the camera with very little talking. So I am going to just take you along with me, different kind of vlog. I just hope that you can play it while you are doing some work or just getting something cold to drink, because the heat is heating here in the South. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you later on. Would you even eat that? It was a major surgery.
Which one you get?
Kind of like these two. Yeah,
You need more.
Let's see what all of our options are. Because I've seen people got their bag.
Don't show my nails.
Put that in there.
Think we should get one?
No.
Just said we had one?
Mm-mm.
No, I said, I asked you.
It's not a flat version.
A light color. Pink. Yeah, that's running out.
Hello. Hey. Do you have like? Here you go.
Hey. Riley, do you have a cooling bag to put your items in if we went to Dillard's here? Is it too hot?
Otherwise, ring, ring.
You said you already got one?
I have the big one.
The pink one? No, black.
I have the pink one.
There's a black one too.
Go ahead and get it.
Pretty roses.
They really
I'll
are.
get you some roses. I can't tell you because. I'm so glad you guys grew up. That's what she said.
Hey, hold this. Get two of them.
My phone.
You got pockets? I kept
I do
buying
have
too.
pockets. Oh, this is my section. I don't know. Which one you got right there? There's a green one. I want this one. Yeah, I like that one. You see these, Riley? Riley, I'm going to Auntie Anne's.
Maybe 776. Ice cream. Me and Daddy just
I don't want peeled lettuce. How much was it?
maybe 776.
Okay. Well, we have now made it in, and I was so excited to come home because my camera external mic, let me get this together. The microphone to pair with my camera had arrived, and I could not wait to put it to use. So as soon as we came in from a day of going from store to store, I was able to pull out this bad boy and try it out. And of course, as I close this vlog, I wanted to see if I would love it. And I think this is going to be exactly what I need. In case you want to know, before I do close the vlog, I have a DJI Pocket 3. I had the Pocket 2, loved it, but as soon as the 3 came out, I knew that this was going to be an investment that I would want to make, as I vowed to do having a vlog lifestyle. So I didn't get the creators packet that comes with like the stand, I think an external battery, and the microphone. I just purchased the camera and immediately realized that I was going to need the microphone. And we are going on a trip, and I figured, I don't know what the wind conditions would be like if we're outdoors. This would be an investment to make. So that's why you probably see a quality or hear a quality in the video at the end, because I'm trying this out. Friend, thank you so much for coming along on this kind of random vlog, but I did want to take you along with me today. And until the next video, have a great day. Bye.